In this video we have given that swimmer makes a trip A to B to A in two different situations. In first case, he swims in still water and takes T1 time for the trip, and in second case, he swims in flowing water and takes T2 time for the trip. In both cases, swimming speed relative to water remains same. Then we have to choose the correct option from the four options given. So suppose V, it is swimming speed in still water. Or swimming speed relative to water. And U, it is flowing speed of water. Then in case first, U is 0 and this is the person and this is point A, this is point B, and he is going from A to B, so the speed will be V, and then he is coming back from B to A, so again speed will be V, and suppose this distance is D. So time T1 will be equal to distance D by speed V plus distance D from B to A by speed V. So T1 is equal to 2D by V. And case 2, when U is not equal to 0, then this is the person and this is point A, this is point B, and he is going from A to B and then coming back from B to A, and speed of water is U. Then speed from A to B will be V plus U, and speed of the person from B to A will be V minus U, and this distance is D. So time T2 will be from A to B, it will be D by V plus U, plus from B to A, it will be D by V minus U. So T2 is equal to D times 1 by V plus U plus 1 by V minus U, and T2 is equal to D times and V plus U times V minus U will be LCM, and here we will get V minus U plus V plus U, and U will get cancelled. So T2 is equal to D times V plus V will be 2V by V plus U times V minus U will be V square minus U square. So we get T1 is equal to 2D by V, and T2 is equal to D times 2V by V square minus U square. And now we have to compare which is greater. We have to compare both the values of time. So we have T2 is equal to D times 2V by V square minus U square, and T2 is equal to 2D times V by V square minus U square, and if we divide by V and multiply by V, then 2D by V is T1. T2 is equal to 2D by V is T1 times V square by V square minus U square. So T2 by T1 will be equal to V square by V square minus U square, and T1 by T2 will be equal to V square minus U square by V square, and T1 by T2 is equal to V square by V square will be 1 minus U square by V square, and T1 by T2 is equal to 1 minus U by V whole square, and U by V whole square will be positive. That means 1 minus some positive will be less than 1. So T1 by T2 is less than 1. This implies T1 is less than T2. So the correct option is option C.